Welcome to the SwiftUI tutorial series where we're going to be building a brand new SwiftUI app from the ground up. So this is going to be very beginner level to begin with. It's going to be, I'm going to try and make it quite accessible. Hopefully people out there who have no knowledge of iOS development in the slightest can keep up with this and learn how to build iOS apps. So we're going to be building a SwiftUI app. We're going to be building this app. This is the app that I have built that's kind of an example of what we're going to be aiming for. So it's a weather app, so effectively we can add locations. So if I wanted to add Miami, for instance, I can search for it, add it, got Miami here, and we can see that's the weather from Miami. So that's basically what we're going to be building. It's very simple. It's just a few views. Now, where it gets a bit complicated is we're actually going to be fetching this information is going to be getting fetched from the internet. So that's some networking in there, and we're also saving these locations here. So for instance, if I was to close the app, reload it, all of those locations will still be there. So it should hopefully cover most of the areas of iOS development that you'll need to know to at least start building some basic apps. How long this series takes, I don't really know. It's going to be a few parts. So yeah, that's basically what we're going to be building. That kind of concludes the introduction. So we're going to get into part 2, where we'll be creating an Xcode project and running our app first. So it's going to be really can't speak today. We're going to be creating our first Xcode project and going from there. So yeah, if you join us in part 2, we'll be creating our Xcode project. See you there.